in this episode. As a heavy snowstorm hits the village, Josh heads to Arthur's Pass, where he finally catches Thundersnow on film. Later, Matt and Josh tempt fate in deep snow up the Mt Cheeseman access road.
Hello, and welcome back to the channel for winter 2022. What a system we have. It's one of the most confusing systems I can remember for quite some time. It's currently 7 o'clock in the evening and I'm en route to Arthur's Pass, where it's been snowing most of the afternoon. I'm expecting snow probably most of the night, with a warm up in the morning and then a cool down again tomorrow afternoon and more snow.
Here we go. Been in Arthur's Pass for a couple of hours now, guys. As you can see, there's quite a decent amount of snow about. It's quite showery, but as you can see, we're in the middle of quite a heavy shower at the moment. It's meant to go on like this most of the night. Looking back up the main street there. Something about Arthur's Pass and the snow, eh? Have a look at this, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Look at the state of this snow. How heavy is it? Absolutely teeming it down. This is heavy, heavy, heavy snow. Look at that. Looking back up towards Arthur's Pass village, absolutely bucketing down. It definitely is a very showery event, but I tell you what, look at this. Look how heavy the snow is, would you? It is absolutely pouring down. I reckon about 3 centimetres has settled in the last 40 minutes, maybe. Absolutely torrential snow. And this shower's been going on for about half an hour now. Look at it. Look at it all over me. It's currently 10 to 3 in the morning. And look at the state of the snow that is coming down at the moment. I'm not crazy, or maybe I am. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, I'm getting settled on. Crazy snow. Look at it. Here we are, first light in Arthur's Pass, team. As you can see, we're at about 20 centimetres now. The road in that direction is closed, and in that direction it is open, which is good for me. It is still snowing, as you can see. It's a wee bit wetter snow than it was a few hours ago, but it is meant to warm up this morning, so it'll be interesting to see what plays out throughout today. But yeah, the forecast was always for a warm up this morning, so I'm not surprised that it has warmed up slightly. Still cold, mind you. Right, I've come outside. As you can see, it's snowing and it's slippery, and there was just lightning overhead and thunder, so we are currently having thunder snow. I'm trying to get it on film. Wow. Holy moly. Well, as predicted, things have warmed up slightly in Arthur's Pass, and it's probably sleety rain at the moment would be the best way to describe it. So I'm about to be en route back to Christchurch, where apparently it's snowing in Castle Hill and it's very cold down at the top of the plains as well. So we will see what I encounter on the way back. Wow. It's very snowy through, a lot snowier on the eastern side of Flock Hill than it is on the western side of Flock Hill. So the air is obviously a lot colder on this side, but lots of snow around as you can see. It looks stunning, doesn't it? Thankfully the road's in good condition. Right, we're just up on the Mt Cheeseman access road here, and as you can see, snowing pretty good at the moment. Probably 20 centimeters, 30 probably actually in places. Looks stunning, look. Wow. Look at this. We're at about 930 meters above sea level here up the Cheeseman access road. Isn't that freaking awesome? We're probably nearing on half a meter of snow here. Here's a good, we'll come up over here. Oh, slippy sliding all over the place. Look at that. That marker on the side of the road has half disappeared. Look at that. So we've got 400-500 meters to climb before we get to the ski field too. Remarkable. Bit of a problem here. We're going forward, as you can see. There's someone in front of us, so they've had to reverse. That's us, and there's two cars behind us. And look how deep the snow is. We got half a meter. But he's made it back, which is good. So there's a clearing just around the corner. Oh, look how deep I am in the snow. Look at that.
Stand on the side if you need to.
Sorry?
Stand on the side.
No, it's all good. I'm good to walk. Trust us to always get into some problems, I tell you what. Nice. Here's a good clearing. Lots of snow here though, look at that. Alrighty, I think I'm going to call that here for this chase. I'm just sitting up the top of Porter's Pass on the way back to Christchurch. What an absolutely epic chase to start off the season, and hopefully there's plenty more to come like that over the coming months. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and we'll be back really soon. Good.